idea this wig was gonna turn out like this. Okay. I don't often do like the whole crimp style just because I feel like it takes a little too long, and then most of the time the crimps fall to like deep wave. But this is a cute look, a real cute look. I really did not know what I was going to do with this wig. I knew I didn't want to do any curls, and I kind of knew I didn't want to do like a straight texture because that's really like my go-to look, even though I feel like curly wig styles should definitely be my look. But you know, that's another conversation, that's another video. But I'm getting a lot of notifications on my phone right now. But I definitely feel like this is a 24-inch. It's super long, as you guys saw in the video, and the density is, I would think, 180%. And I don't really know for sure what the density is, but I definitely feel like it's way above average. So first thing, let's talk about the obvious, the lace, the meltdown giving what it needs to give. All right, so I'm not quite sure if this is like a HD or transparent or clear lace, because it's really giving me what I need in all three of those. No matter what, I'm cool with that, because the lace and the way it blended and melted into my skin, like, girl, stop playing. I don't even care if it's HD, transparent, or clear lace, because it's nice as hell, whatever it is. I just know it's not a regular lace, which we don't want. I mean, it's 2021. We don't want those no more. We need what they're giving here in this wig. This is what we need. This wig did come with a pre-plucked hairline, which I showed you guys at the beginning of the video. I definitely did not want to go in and do any type of plucking to the hairline, because I wanted you guys to definitely see what to expect with this wig. Now, of course, if you want a little bit more pluckage, you know, and you want a little bit more scalp look, then of course you can go in and pluck the hair a lot more. But girl, I just ain't got the time today, so I just want to show you guys yes, gauze, yes. I just wanted to show you girls what the wig actually looks like if you decide to not do nothing to this hair. I've noticed this is becoming like my new go-to look, like how I do my baby hairs. It's just putting it off on the side and doing a part. I think that's super cute now, and I like this look a lot better than how I used to do my old baby hairs. Like, it used to give like real ball effect, and I don't like that no more, so I'm doing it like this. That's it, y'all. I really don't have anything else to say about this wig. I'm gonna try to start cutting these videos down a little bit when it comes to me talking, because you guys should be able to see in the video exactly, you know, what's giving and what's not. But anyways, everything will be below in the description bar. Thank you guys so much for supporting me. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's video, because you guys know the vibe, and I will see you guys on the next video.